and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my most favorite bag in my collection. I looked for this bag for so long and when I finally got it I was so happy. So this is the most classic Chanel bag. It's the classic flap in so black. As you can see, the hardware is not golden, it's also not a silver, so it's like a black silver hardware, and this model is called the So Black. We've got it in the lambskin leather, which is one of my favorite leathers, even though it's very sensitive, but you really have to take care of this leather. Here we got the classic chevron stitching. It's in the V stitching. It's very classy and I really love this stitching. This bag really has a history because I looked for it for so long and I really wanted to have a So Black Chanel bag, but it was so hard to find it, and finally I got to buy it in the resale, which I was like so happy when I got it. When I found it, I really had to buy it. But I think if you want to buy this bag today, it will be really hard to find it. So I would rather look in the reselling. So if you're lucky, you will always find this bag. As you can see, this model is quite big. So from here to here we have 30 centimeters. This bag is 30 centimeters wide, which is quite big for a Chanel bag. But you can also find it like, I think, one size smaller and I think even two sizes smaller, and you just have to look what you can find. Of course, if you go to Chanel today, you will find the modern new fashion models, but I think this is a classic and will always be. As you can see here, we have the classic twist lock. I will just open it a little bit. We have the twist lock with the classic CC on it. It's really beautiful. You can see the hardware here, where it's like also really dark hardware because it's the So Black, and it goes on to all the hardware up to here. So let's go to the inside. You can just open it as I showed you with a classic opening, and here you have the first layer of the bag. You can see here the lambskin is super cool made, and here you have like the first compartment. You can easily open it and you have space for some small things if you want to put it. And here you have another lock. You can just easily pop it out, and you have the second compartment, which is the main compartment, which is the biggest compartment. And here it's really nice because you have the classic Chanel logo stitched inside, which is really nice, and you have the Chanel Made in France stamp, which is made in silver writing. It looks so elegant and so nice. It's really beautiful. So you can see inside you have a lot of space. You have like 3 compartments here. You have one in here, you have one on the right, and you have in the middle for something for your lipstick. And then I will show you. You just can put your lipstick inside and then it looks like this. I think for us women it's really practical to have this. But even though you don't have a lipstick with you, you can just put a pen inside or anything else. Or you can just leave it empty. When you close the bag, you don't have to close this compartment because you can just close it like this. And then you have the typical Chanel bag. If you turn the bag around, you can see you have another compartment in here, which is really practical because you can just easily put some card inside. You can just put maybe a credit card. If you're like in a hurry, you just pop it in here. You don't have to open it and just like put it on the bag. So this is such a bomb bag. I think it looks so hot and it's so beautiful. I think it's every girl's dream to have such a bag, and I really feel glad and happy that I have it and that I own it, because I looked for it for so long and I think it's a dream come true. What I really like about this bag is that you can wear it in 2 different styles, and I really love it. Also because I don't have to wear it in my hand all the time when I go shopping or when I go to the office or when I go to dinner. I can just wear it like this. It also looks very elegant when you have a dress on, or you can wear it crossbody and it would look a little bit sporty and a bit casual. So it's really nice. Also, I can tell you it's falling a little bit low, but I think for this bag it's not such a problem because it's still on a adequate high. So I think it's really beautiful. My favorite style though is the first style, because I think it's the classy Chanel style when you just wear it like this. So it looks so elegant and so hot. The advantage of this bag is also that you can really wear it at any time. You can wear it during the day with jeans or with just a casual dress, and also you can wear it for the office when you are like office dressed, and also you can wear it when you go to a party and you're like really dressed up. This is like such a great accessory. I think this pumps up every outfit and it looks beautiful with jeans, with dress, with skirt, with t-shirt, with like everything. And also you can wear it during all the seasons. You can wear it in the summer, in the winter also, even though I think this is like more a winter bag because it's like so dark and so black, but also in the summer it's like really an eye catcher. For me it was so much fun doing this video because I really love this bag and I really wanted to show it to you and to share with you my happiness about this bag. So if you like my video, please leave a like or comment in my video, and also I would be really happy if you would subscribe to my channel so we can discover my purses and everything else together.